Transcription and translation. What is deoxyribose nucleic acid, or DNA? DNA is the molecules that carry hereditary information for all living things on Earth. It contains the combined genes for mom and dad. DNA is the cookbook for making you. DNA structure. DNA is made up of a double helix. DNA has two strands containing phosphate groups, 5 carbon sugars, and nitrogenous bases. The nitrogenous bases connect to combine the two strands, forming the double helix. Nitrogenous bases. DNA connects by combining the nitrogenous bases from each strand. Adenine combines with thymine. Cytosine combines with guanine. Nitrogenous bases connect via hydrogen bonds. What is ribonucleic acid, or RNA? RNA transfers the genetic code needed for the creation of proteins, from the nucleus to the ribosome. RNA is the code for building proteins. RNA structure. Similar to DNA, RNA has phosphate groups, 5 carbon sugars, and nitrogenous bases, although RNA is single-stranded, unlike DNA. Nitrogenous bases, RNA. Nitrogenous bases in RNA are similar to that of DNA, but the base adenine connects with uracil instead of thymine.
Now, let's get on with the show, shall we?
This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10. Feel the earth move and then hear my heart burst again. For this is the end. I've drowned and dreamt this moment, so overdue I owe them. Swept away, I'm stolen. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall. Skyfall is where we start. 1,000 miles and poles apart, where worlds collide and days are dark. You may have my number, you can take mine.
Hello, 007. I know you just received the tube. This is to protect your DNA from being messed up any further. But right now I'm about to debrief you on the problem that we have at hand. Transcription and translation have been breached. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to prevent this from spreading any further. Right now, as you can see, this red line indicates where this disease has spread. Right now, I have no clue what is going on, but our specialist here will inform you what is happening here and what transcription and translation is. Let's listen.
What is the process of transcription? Transcription is the process of making an RNA copy of a gene sequence. This copy, called a messenger RNA, or mRNA molecule, leaves the cell nucleus and enters the cytoplasm, where it directs the synthesis of a protein, which it encodes. In our James Bond mission, our purpose was to obtain intel from the Russian embassy. There was explosive dental floss, a flash drive, a watch, a getaway car. This mission is similar to the process of transcription. The dental floss represented RNA polymerase. The protein RNA polymerase It initiates the unraveling and partial separation of the strands. It starts when RNA polymerase finds the promoter in DNA. The promoter tells RNA polymerase where to start. In the simulation, information was copied from a computer to a flash drive. Elongation is when RNA polymerase matches the correct nitrogenous bases to form a RNA strand on DNA. Seen here is RNA polymerase unraveling and helping to form RNA using the template strand. The template strand is the strand in which matching RNA nitrogenous bases bind with matching DNA nitrogenous bases using hydrogen bonds. When 007's timer goes off, it tells him it's time to go. When RNA polymerase reads a stop codon or a special pattern of DNA nitrogenous bases, such as TAA or thymine adenine adenine, it signals RNA polymerase to stop.
You finished?
Yes.
Good. A typical leather belt.
Q. I'm familiar with that design.
Step 1.
Not one with a
Dental
75-foot
floss.
propelling cord built into the buckle. Fire, and out shoots a pitot, followed by a high tensile wire designed to support your weight.
I see. And what if I need additional support?
It's tested for 100.
DNA.
Flight 878 to St. Petersburg. X-ray document scanner. A pen. This is a class 4 grenade. 3 clicks.
Dental floss.
Arms the 4-second fuse. Another 3 disarms it.
How long did you say the fuse was?
Oh, grow up, 007.
They all said the pen was mightier than the sword.
Thanks to me, they were right.
Dental
Look,
floss.
let's ask Fred here to demonstrate for us. Here we are. Sorry about this, Fred. 1, 2, 3. Don't say it.
The writing's on the wall?
Along with the rest of it.
Dental floss.
Using a polymorphic engine to mutate
Step
the
2.
code.
USB
Right,
to
to gain
PC.
access, it changes. It's like solving a Rubik's Cube that's fighting back.
Stop. Go in on that.
Remember Road. It's an old tube station on the Metropolitan line. Been closed for years.
Use that as a key.
Oh, look, it's a map.
It's London. Subterranean London.
What's going on? Why are the doors open?
What is the process of translation? Translation is the process of translating the sequence of messenger RNA molecule to a sequence of amino acids during protein synthesis. The genetic code describes the relationship between the sequence of the base pairs and a gene and the corresponding amino acid sequence that it encodes. In the cell cytoplasm, the ribosome reads the sequence of mRNA in groups of 3 bases to assemble the protein. James Bond moves from the Russian embassy to his car. The RNA from transcription is also called mRNA and moves from the nucleus to the ribosome in the cytoplasm. James Bond's car computer sequences the data from the computer. In translation, the ribosome matches sequences to build a protein. The ribosome matches mRNA with transfer RNA or tRNA. tRNA provides different amino acids for different 3 base pair combinations. As shown in the image of the ribosome, tRNA enters at the A site. It moves from the P site to make room for another tRNA. Then it finally moves to the E site to make room for more tRNA entering the ribosome. The ribosome moves the mRNA, and tRNA comes and goes, matching base pairs to build the amino acid chain. Once James Bond's data is collected, it becomes a top-secret file. Once the amino acid chain is complete, it folds, becoming a protein.
Okay, Q, give me something. That's more like it.
Here goes nothing.
So overdue, I owe day. Swept away, I'm stolen. Let the sky fall when it crumbles.
Yes.
We will stand tall and face it all together.
Encrypt the stolen hard drive. Tracing the encryption signal. Localize it now.
Skyfall is where we start.
Somewhere in the UK.
1,000 miles and
London.
poles apart.
Get us back to base as soon as possible.
Days are dark. You may have my number. You can
MI6.
say my name.
The data packet is linking to our network. Director, this is behind our firewall. We should shut down.
No, track it. We have to know where it's coming from.
Strip the headers, trace the source.
And how do they get into our system?
Getting traced back now.
Together, let the sky fall.
It appears to be your computer, Mark.
Shut it down. Face it all together at skyfall.
What is this?
Where you go, I go. What you see, I see. I know I'll never be me without the security. All your loving arms keeping me from harm.
God,
Put your
sake.
hand in my hand.
Just get out of the way. Don't you recognize the car?